Good morning, class 6. Welcome back to your biology classroom once again. Today I am going to start process of blood circulation in the body. So let's start. The right auricle receives deoxygenated or impure blood from various parts of the body. From the right auricle, the blood flows into the right ventricle. From right ventricle, it is pushed into the lungs through the pulmonary artery. So look at the figure at first. This is right auricle and this is right ventricle. So through superior and inferior vena cava, deoxygenated blood just came into the right auricle. And from right auricle, it just flows down into right ventricle. And from there, pulmonary artery carries the deoxygenated blood to the lungs. Lungs में लेके जाता है कौन? Pulmonary artery. In the lungs, exchange of gases takes place and the blood gets oxygenated. This oxygenated blood is brought to the left auricle by the pulmonary veins. So the gaseous exchange takes place in the lungs. The impure blood turn into pure blood. Oxygen add होने के कारण the impure blood turn into pure blood and came into the hearts once again through pulmonary vein, and it came into the left auricle. From there, it just flows down left ventricle. From the left auricle, the oxygenated blood flows into the left ventricle, and from there it is pumped into the aorta. So from left ventricle, the pure blood flows throughout the body parts with the help of aorta. इसके नीचे दाग लगाना. The aorta is the largest artery in the body. Aorta is the largest artery in the body. So as because your question will be MCQ type, so be careful about the particular type of question. So what is the largest artery inside our human body? That is aorta. So from left ventricle through aorta, pure blood just spread out in the body parts. The aorta divides further to supply blood to all body tissues. So from left ventricle, aorta divided into thin branches and supplied blood to the all body tissues. When the blood passes through capillaries, it delivers oxygen and the nutrients to the cell and collects carbon dioxide and other waste. It thus gets deoxygenated and come back to the right auricle, completing one round of circulation. So in this way, blood get deoxygenated and come back to the right auricle once again. So in this way, it completes one round of circulation. Next, the blood circulates twice through the heart for completing one round of circulation throughout the body. So basically, this circulation takes place 2 times because deoxygenated blood came back to the heart, and from there it just goes to the lungs, and from lungs it came back to the left auricle once again. From there it flows down to left ventricle, and from there it spread out throughout the body. So this total circulation takes place by 2 ways. That's why it is called double circulation. So why it is called double circulation? क्योंकि ये पूरा सर्कुलेशन जो है ये 2 टाइम होता है, क्योंकि एक बार डीऑक्सीजेनेटेड ब्लड हार्ट से लंग्स में जाता है, वहां पे गैसियस एक्सचेंज टेक्स प्लेस. फ्रॉम देयर लंग्स टू इट ब्रिंग बैक टू द हार्ट वंस अगेन, एंड फ्रॉम देयर इट जस्ट स्प्रेड आउट थ्रू आउट द बॉडी पार्ट्स. सो दैट्स वाई 2 सर्कुलेशन एक राउंड खत्म करने के लिए लेना पड़ता है, इसीलिए हम इस सर्कुलेशन को क्या बोलेंगे? डबल सर्कुलेशन. Thus, double circulation involves 2 processes: pulmonary circulation and systematic circulation. So, what is pulmonary circulation? The circulation of blood between the heart and lungs is called pulmonary circulation. So, normally, when the deoxygenated blood goes heart to the lungs, for the gaseous exchange. This circulation is also known as pulmonary circulation. Same way, when the circulation of blood from the heart and other body parts is known as systematic circulation. जब प्योर ब्लड दोबारा लंग से लेकर हार्ट में वापस आता है और वहां से थ्रू एओर्टा पूरा बॉडी पार्ट्स में फैल जाता है, तब उस सिस्टमेटिक सर्कुलेशन को तब वो सर्कुलेशन को हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? सिस्टमेटिक सर्कुलेशन. नेक्स्ट, heartbeat and cardiac cycle. The heart muscle contract and expand tirelessly. मतलब without exhausted. मतलब tired नहीं होता है. Always they contract and expand. However, all the heart muscles do not contract at the same time. Just underline it. All the heart muscles do not contract at the same time. एक ही टाइम पे हर मसल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट नहीं होता है. The auricles contract first, forcing the blood into the ventricles. So at first, auricle muscle contract itself and force the blood into the ventricle. A fraction of second later, the ventricles contract to push the blood into the pulmonary artery and the aorta. So from ventricle muscle contract होने के कारण ये ब्लड को पुश करता है कहाँ पे? एओर्टा में, पल्मोनरी आर्टरी में, वहां से एओर्टा में. Then the auricles relax and the blood flows in them from the pulmonary veins and vena cava. By this time, the ventricles have also emptied and whole heart is relaxed. मतलब जब ऑरिकल्स वेंट्रिकल के अंदर ब्लड धकेल देता है और वहां से पल्मोनरी आर्टरी के द्वारा एओर्टा में ब्लड फैल जाता है, तब जाके ऑरिकल रिलैक्स हो जाता है. मोस्ट प्रोबेबली हार्ट एम्प्टी होने के कारण रिलैक्स हो जाता है. दिस कॉन्ट्रैक्शन एंड द रिलैक्सेशन प्रोड्यूस अ थ्रोबिंग साउंड रेफर्ड टू एज द हार्ट बीट. सो contraction and relaxation period produce a throbbing sound. This throbbing sound is also known as heartbeat. The sequence of events which takes place during one complete heartbeat is known as cardiac cycle. इसके नीचे दाग लगाना. So what is cardiac cycle? The sequence of events which takes place during one complete heartbeat. So एक हार्टबीट कंप्लीट करने के लिए नॉर्मली हार्ट का जो कॉन्ट्रैक्शन एंड रिलैक्सेशन साउंड प्रोड्यूस करता है, दिस साइकिल इज ऑल्सो नोन एज कार्डियक साइकिल. It involves repeated contraction and relaxation of heart muscle. A contraction is termed as systole. So just mind it. जब हार्ट मसल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हो रहा है तब जब हम लोग उसको क्या बोलेंगे? सिस्टोल. एंड व्हेन रिलैक्सेशन इज टर्म्ड इज नोन एज डायस्टोल. तो जब जाके हार्ट मसल रिलैक्स हो जा रहा है तब उसको हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? डायस्टोल. One complete heartbeat or cardiac cycle consists of one systole and one diastole. So एक हार्टबीट कंप्लीट होता है थ्रू सिस्टोल एंड डायस्टोल. इट लास्ट फॉर अबाउट 0.8 सेकंड. सो एक हार्टबीट के लिए कितना टाइम लगता है? Only 0.8 seconds. So this portion is quite tough because here is lots of short question. So बहुत सिंसियरली पढ़ना. तो एक हार्टबीट कंप्लीट होने के कारण टाइम कितना लगता है? 0.8 seconds. Each heartbeat is heard as a two sound. The contraction of auricles makes one weak sound. It is followed by a stronger sound caused by the contraction of ventricles. So normally ये हार्टबीट जो है ये दोबारा मतलब दो साउंड क्रिएट करता है. एक बार जब ऑरिकल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होता है दैट इज वीक साउंड. जब ये ब्लड को वेंट्रिकल पे पुश करता है इट प्रोड्यूस अ स्ट्रॉन्गर साउंड दैट इज नोन एज स्ट्रॉन्गर साउंड और बाय द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ contraction of ventricles. The doctor uses a device called stethoscope to listen to this two-part heartbeat that is also known as lub-dub sound. The heart on an average beats 72 times per minute. So heartbeat कितना होता है पर मिनट में एक एवरेज एडल्ट का? दैट इज 72 टाइम्स. सो यहाँ पे लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग है जो याद करना है, बहुत अच्छे से याद करना. So student, hope all of you understood what I have discussed in this video. So for today, up to this portion.